Hello guys, welcome to 5 Best Tools Review. Car polishers are indispensable tools for automotive enthusiasts and professionals alike, offering a means to achieve that coveted showroom shine. These devices go beyond mere aesthetics, providing a means to maintain and enhance the longevity of a vehicle's paintwork. The quality car polisher can effectively remove swirl marks, scratches, and imperfections, restoring luster and depth to the surface. Whether you're a seasoned detailer or an amateur seeking to elevate your car care game, investing in the right polisher is key. With a myriad of options available on the market, discerning the top contenders can be a daunting task. To simplify your search, we compiled a list of the top 5 best car polishers, each renowned for its performance, durability, and user-friendly design. Number 1. The MEIZUISHI R7303 car polisher is a compact and powerful tool designed for home enthusiasts who want to achieve professional-grade results. With its 350W rated input power and variable speed control, this polisher offers enough power and flexibility to tackle a variety of polishing tasks effectively. One of the standout features of the MEIZUISHI R7303 is its ergonomic design, which makes it comfortable to hold and maneuver during extended polishing sessions. At just 2.3 kg, it's lightweight enough to prevent fatigue, yet sturdy and durable for reliable performance. The dimensions of 351,817 cm make it easy to store when not in use, and its DC power source means you can use it wherever you have access to electricity without being tethered to a cord. I particularly appreciate the versatility of this polisher, as it's suitable for polishing not only cars, but also other surfaces like furniture, metal, and even boats. Whether you're restoring the shine to your car's paintwork or buffing out scratches on your favorite piece of furniture, the MEIZUISHI R7303 delivers consistent results. Number 2. BATOCA S2 car polisher. As an avid car enthusiast and meticulous detailer, I'm always on the lookout for tools that can elevate my craft. Enter the BATOCA S2 car polisher, a compact yet powerful machine that has revolutionized my car care routine. First and foremost, let's talk about performance. With a bare weight of just 1.3 kilograms, the S2 feels incredibly lightweight and maneuverable in hand. But don't let its size fool you, this polisher packs a punch. Equipped with a brushless motor, it delivers consistent power and efficiency, ensuring smooth operation even during prolonged use. One of the standout features of the S2 is its variable speed control. With 6 speed settings ranging from 2000 to 4500 RPM, you have the flexibility to tackle a wide range of detailing tasks with precision. Whether you're polishing paintwork, removing swirls, or applying wax, the S2 offers the perfect speed for every job. Number 3. DREAMBURGHD 980W car polisher. As an avid car enthusiast, I've tried my fair share of car polishers, but none have impressed me quite like the DREAMBURGHD 980W car polisher. From its robust build to its precise performance, this machine has truly elevated my detailing game. First and foremost, let's talk power. With its 980W motor, this polisher packs a punch, effortlessly tackling even the toughest swirl marks and scratches. Whether I'm working on my daily driver or a cherished classic, I can always count on the DREAMBURGHD 980W to deliver consistent, reliable power. But power is nothing without control, and that's where the DREAMBURGH excels. The SpeedStall 6 feature provides 6 speed settings, allowing me to tailor the polisher's performance to the specific task at hand. From gentle polishing to aggressive correction, I can easily adjust the speed to achieve the perfect finish. Number 4. XMSJ Buff 501X car polisher. I recently had the pleasure of trying out the XMSJ Buff 501X car polisher, and I must say, it exceeded my expectations in every way. As an avid car enthusiast who takes great pride in maintaining the appearance of my vehicles, I'm always on the lookout for tools that can help me achieve professional-level results at home. The XMSJ Buff 501X did not disappoint. First and foremost, let's talk about precision and power. This polisher is equipped with a robust 700W motor that effortlessly tackles scratches and imperfections on the surface of my car. Whether I'm dealing with minor swirl marks or more stubborn blemishes, the TORQ10FX dual-action mechanism delivers consistent results with remarkable efficiency. What truly sets the XMSJ Buff 501X apart, however, is its ergonomic and safe design. From the moment I picked it up, I could tell that this tool was built to last. The superior build quality, harmonious balancing, and built-in safety features instill confidence and make the polishing process a breeze. Plus, the inclusion of 2 5-inch backing plates, 3 5.5-inch pads, 2 4-ounce compounds, and 2 4-ounce polishes in the kit ensures that I have everything I need to tackle any polishing task. Number 5. AUTIWOZ W02PO53 car polisher. As a passionate car enthusiast, I'm always on the lookout for tools that can help me maintain my prized possessions. Recently, I had the opportunity to try out the AUTIWOZ W02PO53 car polisher, and I must say, I'm thoroughly impressed. First and foremost, let's talk power. With a rated input power of 280W and a brushless motor, this polisher packs quite a punch. Whether I'm tackling light scratches or stubborn swirl marks, the W02PO53 effortlessly glides over the surface, leaving behind a smooth and glossy finish. The speed range of 2800 to 5800 RPM provides ample flexibility to adjust according to the task at hand, ensuring optimal results every time. One of the standout features of this polisher is its lightweight design. At just 2 kilograms, it's incredibly easy to maneuver, even during extended polishing sessions. This not only reduces fatigue, but also allows for greater precision and control, especially on intricate areas of the vehicle. The inclusion of a 12V battery voltage option adds another layer of convenience, offering cordless operation for those hard-to-reach spots, or when working outdoors without access to power outlets. Thank you guys for watching this video. PLZ subscribe my channel for more update.